ba tayong marunong mag-kanji dito sa Japan?
Study kanji. Kanji is so important, but for people like me from non-kanji countries, it's the hardest thing.
Imagine living in a country where every street sign, restaurant menu, and train schedule is a puzzle. Welcome to Japan, where kanji rules. Pero teka, is learning kanji necessary para sa mga foreigner na gustong mag-settle dito sa Japan? Di natin makaikakaila sa sobrang dami ng characters, parang overwhelming at nakakagulat sa simula. Alam mo ba na kahit mga Japanese locals, may mga younger generation na hirap sa kanji literacy? Di ba nakakagulat? Kaya ito ang mga options mo. Pwedeng umasa sa bilingual materials. Maraming businesses at government agency ang nag-o-offer niyan. Simplified communication works too. Focus more on speaking and listening. Technology can be your SOS. Sumbungan sa translations app at online dictionaries. Plus, maraming mga locals na ready tumulong para sa mga dayuhan. Lalo na kapag nasa tourist spots ka. Like now, sa Kyoto at Osaka, are upgrading infrastructure with updated signage and translation services. Lalo na ngayon na ongoing ang Expo 2025 sa Osaka. Sabi nga ng isang Japanese language expert, learning kanji isn't about language. It's understanding of 2,000 years of cultural history. Powerful, di ba? If you are staying long-term or outside the major cities, knowing some kanji can make your life easier. Try to learn kahit konti lang. Start with the basics. Hindi naman kailangan na perfect agad. Pero kung wala ka namang time para mag-aral ng kanji, learning kanji isn't absolutely necessary for all situation here in Japan. Especially if you are just visiting or living in urban areas. It depends on your specific situation and goals. This is Ayumi J. Let's explore kanji life dito sa Japan.